Okay, so go ahead and lift up the box. You have 4 minutes to dial that phone number.
That's it?
That's it. With that phone.
Wait, so you have to push it, right?
Kyle, move your butt over. I don't want your butt in the
My
video.
fingers don't...
Look,
There you go.
Look. It's all the way from here.
Yeah. 7.
Oh no, zero's all the way over. Crap, how do I restart?
Did you...
Okay. Right. Alright.
7. Then... Just fiddle it a little bit.
Maybe.
8.
That was 7.
Yeah, 7.
Another 0.
Or do you go all the way around back here? Wait.
Dude, that makes sense.
Wait. Ah, yeah, we got it.
Ready?
Alright. All the way around. Like go. 8. 7. Another 0, all the way around. 3. Oh, baby. 8. 5. 0. All the way around.
Okay, so I'll give you a hint. Your 0 is correct. Every other way you're doing it is incorrect. Is that correct in saying that?
Yeah. So you don't stop at this. Oh, does the last one? Cause look.
You just successfully dialed 0.
No. Stop. Okay. So.
Wait. So when we go like this, they said that was right.
Kyle, move to your right a little bit, please.
I don't like that.
So
It's alright.
so if this was 0, then
Wait.
does the second
Look,
one?
watch out.
Does the second
Is
one
this correct?
0?
Bring it all the way around and then like. Bruh. This is dumb.
Wait. So look. That's 0. So that's one ahead. What if he went just?
You guys have made this all worth it.
Everyone has struggled like you guys.
Yeah, everybody
Yes.
has.
I think of different.
Wait a minute.
Think of different.
We have to pick up the phone and then do it?
Put the phone to your ear. What do you hear? What does that sound like? Okay, that's a start.
Alright, watch out.
Incorrect. Correct for a 0.
What does 0 sound like? What does 0 sound like?
It just goes and ends it. Okay.
You have 1 minute left.
So, if the 0 is correct, what are you doing with the 0?
You guys are doing great because you're talking through it and you're working through
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, we're
We
also
went all
came in
the-
last
we-
place, so.
We went all the way over here. I think we have to go all the way around. All the way around. Stop there.
What's with all the holes though?
It's a great
Oh.
question. That is. Kyle?
We are so dumb.
No, you're not. You
Nope, Kyle
nailed
just
it.
figured it out. 25 seconds.
Tell me the numbers.
708, 703. Where are you at right now?
7,
Oh.
0.
8500.
Hurry up.
Where's it?
8500. 8500.
11:10.
We're done.
Oh, you did it?
Yeah, no, I didn't. It just.
Five.
There's 5 seconds to do it.
0.
You would have done it.
0. We did it.